Namaste everyone. So in this video, we will be going through complete AI security roadmap from beginner to advanced level with some free resources for self-study. So before starting, I would like to ask this question, but correct me if I'm wrong. So these three thoughts would have run at least once in your mind. Okay, it is true or not, you can correct me. So, first thought is someone using AI is going to replace you. Okay, so that's why I learned using AI for my daily tasks. For by using it every day, I am over dependent on the AI. So I will be screaming like AI is my superpower. But over reliance on AI can replace your job and you also. Am I right? So, in this video, we will going to see how to become AI security pro within few weeks. I am repeating within few weeks. Is it possible? That's not what we are going to talk about today. So, for learning any skill, it includes months of practice. Okay, it may also take years. So, no hurry. We will learn step by step, but in a proper way. So, let's start with the foundation. I always tell my students that build your foundation so strong that your next building or next floor would be unshakable. So, what will comes under the foundation of AI security? First one is Python Essential, which is the most lovable programming language. But I am expecting that most of my audience or already a IT person or a cybersecurity aspirant. You may already know this foundation few concepts like Python, cybersecurity, and all. You can skip, but I suggest you to revise it before you jump into the AI security. What may comes under the Python essentials if you are a beginner? Okay, you have to learn about data structures, file IO, input output, NumPy, pandas, and skitlearn libraries and all. Next is classes and OOPS concepts, which is must for any programming language, and APIs you have to learn. Next is maths. As I said, Python is most favorite programming language, and maths few people hate the most, including me. That's why I took commerce after my 10th. So, maths is everywhere, yeah. Even I don't know how maths has occupied each and every domain. If you go for quantum computing, this maths is must. If you go for AI/ML, this maths is must. For data science, each and everything this maths has occupied. So I am not telling you to become a mathematician or PhD or do a PhD in mathematics. But you have to know basic concepts before you go to the AI security. What are the concepts like vectors and vector spaces, matrix operation, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, singular value decomposition, etc. So next is AI/ML fundamentals, which is must. Okay, it includes you have to know what is machine learning, deep learning, what are the type of machine learning, which includes supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Next, classification and regression, overfitting and underfitting, etc. Next is network basics. You can ask, ma'am, why we are learning networking and all. It is AI security, na. But in the AI and security, we are using this term security. In this security, what are the backbone of it? Networking and Linux. You must know this concepts, okay? Like how networking works, OSI TCP model, basic topology, ports and protocols, IP and MAC addresses. Next is Linux basics. It may you have to know some basic commands and how the kernel works, permissions, processes, and few bash scripting knowledge. Next is of course security fundamentals, right? Because we are using AI security. Security fundamentals like CIA Triad, confidentiality, integrity, availability things. Next is concept of triple A, authorization, authentication, and accounting. Next, CVEs and OWASP, top 10 vulnerabilities, which may include web, API, LLM, each and everything, every vulnerabilities you must know. So the best free resources are this I have hidden, but you will receive entire PPT in our channel. So link is in the description. You have to join that channel. Next is core AI security. What will be the core AI security? In this core AI security, you will be learning few concepts of AI security, not in a intermediate or advanced level, but in a beginner level. It includes adversarial examples like FGSM, fast gradient sign method, projected gradient descent, DeepFool, C and W attacks. So, whenever you are learning or this concept, you have to learn in three steps. First step, learn the theory, how it works. Second is real time use cases interlink with the real life example. Third is practical. Okay, hands-on practice is must for cybersecurity as well as AI security. Next is white box and black box testing, which if the cybersecurity aspirants are seeing this, you may already know, but meaning is same only, but the in you here you will be looking from the AI perspective. Okay. In this also, in the white box also contains 4 to 5 threat models, and in the black box also it will there is 4 to 5 threat model types like gradient, query based attacks, etc. So next is data poisoning. How you are poisoning the training data so that the model behaves unpredictable. Okay. So first one is label poisoning, backdoor attacks using trojans, availability attacks, targeted poisoning, etc. So these are just a four I have mentioned, but there are more than 20 attacks. Okay. Next is model evasion. How the model evasion works, what it is, common techniques to exploit model evasion, and real time use cases. Okay, so this model evasion is nothing but you won't poison the data, you won't manipulate the training data, but you will try to do something which where the model gives the unpredictable output. For example, in the stop sign, you will do some white patches. So the model can't detect that it is a stop sign. Okay. So this model sharing is another thing where API based model cloning will techniques will be coming. Now, other topics are adversarial training, attack and defense libraries. Okay. Next is best free resources, which I will be giving the channel. Next is AI security intermediate to advanced. In the previous slides, we had looked to the core concepts, which is basic level. But this is the main thing you have to focus. So what it is, prompt injection, LLM jailbreaking, model inversion, AI red teaming, rack poisoning, OWASP LLM top 10, ML supply chain and attacks. So this concept, you can't master it within 1 month. I bet you. Okay. So you have to go in depth of this concept to learn it in a proper way. Next is Garakind pirate tools. These are some AI teaming tools which you have to be aware of. Next, ML SecOps, agentic AI security, multimodal attacks, AI incidents response, which is defense or blue teaming techniques also be included. Next is Mitre Atlas. You have to know some techniques of it. Next is best free resources. Okay. But wait, I have something for you. So, of course, if you go on this syllabus or roadmap, even AI can guide you with that. But if you want, I can start with the free AI security course in the YouTube itself because I observed that only few limited resources are available in the internet for AI security. So if you are willing, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.